Oh my goodness, Enjin coin holders, Enjin are completely gone down, falls down in the last 24 hours, very badly gone down. Therefore, I researched personally on Google, Twitter, everywhere for Enjin coin holder. I researched personally. Sorry, I cannot show in this video my Twitter, my any Twitter and any research special news about Enjin coin. But I telling you to what's going and upcoming my production, what's going and they can go up in upcoming days or they go well falls down in upcoming days. But if you can see here in the last 1 hour they absolutely falls down very badly. First of all, I gotta show you the two charts and then we decide to hold, sell or buy. They are good for investment or they are bad. They're going up in upcoming days or they're going down. You can see here the chain occur and 0.05% they falls down, my friend. This time if you can see here the price is 3.01 US dollar. Well, I see one trade they're targeting 4 US dollar at the end of this month, but I think this is not possible. I think this is not possible. Absolutely, this is not possible. If you agree with me to this is not possible to they hit 4 US dollar, then please like this video. And if you agree with me to they gone up in upcoming days, then please like this video because I told you that they're going up in upcoming days. Exactly, they're going up in upcoming days, my friend, very highly. Because I use and one tip and a craft market. You can see here after very badly fails, they also take a very high jump. They're going up like a rocket, my friend. Therefore, absolutely this time you can see here they take a very bad fall and they come down. But I hope you can see here this time they're going up like a rocket. They're starting jumping like a rocket. They're going up, my friend. So I think this is good time to you invest. This is not a financially, remember this is not a financial video. I research personally and you also research personally for today. This is good for investment or not. Please research personally. I research personally on Twitter, Google, everywhere. Therefore I decide to this is good for investment. Then I invest. I want to buy 1000 Enjin coin, absolutely, because this is they make you millionaire. They give you good profit at the end of this month, friends. So thanks for watching, friends. Hope you understand what I told you. In upcoming days Enjin coin going up. They are in the moon. Absolutely, they going are in the moon. What you are ready for in the moon. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.